Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. Now, normally I don't do shoes on my channel, but today we have the infamous, the elusive, the amazing, 1 year old Nike Wildhorse 7. Yes, folks, I've been trail running for about a year now, and I had to buy these bad boys. And like I said, I know they're about a year old, but boy, are they beautiful. And they're highly... Okay, so first thing we're going to do is the obvious eye test. We're going to look at the lugs. They look amazing. And I don't know what those numbers were up top. I am not a shoe expert or a trail running shoe expert, but I'm sorry, this shoe looks absolutely beautiful. Engineered to the exact specification of trail runners, worn to be wild. I have known to be very wild on the trails. I do run downhill pretty fast, and I do beat up shoes quite often. So that's why I bought these. They look like they have some pretty good lugs. I need just some stable shoes, something that can take a high impact coming down off trails for loose gravel and rocks and stuff like that. So I've had Nikes before, so I fit in them really well. They will need to be broken in, obviously, but to me it looks like it's got plenty of cushion, and I will throw in some of my own high impact insoles in to help with that. And I think these lugs should keep me from falling over. At least I hope so. So a little bit later we'll hit the trails, and I'll put these shoes to the test for sure. Tongue looks pretty good. Laces are great. So everything looks pretty good. So next up, I do want to measure the lugs, and I'm not sure the proper way to do this, so I'm going to use the device that I use to measure my tire tread. So it should still work. We'll see. At least might not be that accurate, but I do want to get a reading on the lugs. So let's see, the back we got about 2.7 millimeters. The front, let's see, about 2.8 millimeters, so about the same. And I couldn't get a reading on the middle lug, so maybe about a millimeter or so, not too sure. Alright, so with that said, let's go hit the trails and see how this shoe actually holds up. Okay, we're over here at Wisdom Tree. I'm over here dressed like an orange in water, and we got the Nikes. We're gonna try to speed walk up the hill. Got the GoPro, and then we're gonna run down, check out, see how these shoes do. But stay tuned. This is the infamous Wisdom Tree. Great place to try out some new shoes for stability reasons. Got a decent amount of people climbing up. All right, let's go get it. Whenever I'm on a hike and need a break, I fit into my little pocket here and I grab out my Fitly. Refreshing. Okay, we're gonna head down the mountain now. Made it up to the Wisdom Tree area up there. Now we're gonna go down, try to get some footage of me running a little bit. We'll see how that goes.
So far, stability is great in these shoes. Very good. Very steep incline. No problem. Great. Great turns left and right. Okay, and that was Wisdom Tree with the Nike Wildhorse 7. Incredible shoe. Probably best trail running shoes I had as far as high impact and not slipping. I love my Ultras too. We'll see what time. I'll probably do an update video. Till then, you guys know what to do. I'll see you on the next one.